Greetings, YouTube. Today we're taking a look at this, which is a Workpro. Where can we see the words in there? There we go. Workpro folding utility knife. Now, I originally saw this advertised on Instagram, and I did not buy it through the Instagram link. I went on, poked around, and found that it was available on Amazon, and I got a box of 3 of these things for 16 bucks. And this is the one that has the least amount of movement, because there are just sheet metal, so there is some movement involved in the part. But one of the things I liked about this when I saw it was how incredibly, unbelievably small that is. You can barely see that inside my hand, and I only have medium-sized hands. So if you are a guy with large hands, it is going to disappear in your hand. And this is so small, you can use it as a legitimate pocket knife. Just drop it in your pocket, and it's going to disappear. Okay? And it's made out of sheet metal construction, so it's all stamped, folded. There's a pinned rivet here, which is part of the holding a spring on the inside. There's a cutout here, which is part of the overall construction. There is a lanyard hole here, though I don't really think you need a lanyard hole in this, but maybe I'm wrong. This is a button lock with no other means of opening. In fact, you cannot open it unless you activate the button lock. It's got the pivot, which came out of the box decently tight. I haven't really had to do anything to that, and it's centered well, which is, I guess, nice. And it's kind of impossible for it to not be centered because the overall structure fits inside the overall housing. Now, the one thing I want to talk about before I open it up for you is the pocket clip. Now, the pocket clip is an actual true deep pocket carry clip, so that a lot of them that say that aren't. This is. Okay, so this thing disappears in your pocket. It takes up no space this way, and no space this way, and no space this way. Literally, it just disappears. So if you're looking for a knife that's going to be, you don't have to worry about sharpening it, because that's, it's a utility knife, so you just flip the thing around and use the sharp end, or go get another one when you're done with that one. This could be something that's really going to fit your needs. However, it is got 2 things against it. One, it's too loose. I wear Duluth jeans at work, which has a thicker denim than a lot of jeans do, and even on those, this is too loose. Okay, now that's fixable. You take the clip off, you bend it a bit, you put it back on. So that's not an issue. That's not a deal breaker right there. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to carry this thing. I tend to carry knives I find more visually aesthetic. But the other problem is this point right here. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but I noticed that I would bump my hand against this, and it felt annoyingly sharp against my skin. And again, that is completely fixable. You just, again, if you're taking the clip off to fix the tension, you just take the clip off and you round it over with your belt sander, or even a file if you don't have a belt sander, until you get a nice round profile. Deburr it, make sure it's nice and smooth to your liking, and you're good to go. But those 2 features, I'm not quite sure why they made this quite as pointy as it is. It doesn't need to be, and I think they made it too loose. So, having said all that, let's open it up, and there we go. Super fast, super simple, and it turns into almost a full-size utility knife. Not just one of those little box cutters you push the blade out and pull it back in, which are not the most secure things in the world, but this is almost the full size of your average utility knife. And it's very comfortable, even though it's made out of sheet metal. The finish is nice and smooth, and because of the overall cutouts and stuff, it feels very secure in the hand. And this pocket clip, I find my finger just kind of naturally falls on top of it, and it's very comfortable. So if I'm doing this and cutting like that, I have absolutely no concern about it getting loose on me. I'm like this. I got no problem with it being, because thinking it's going to get loose on me, because it's not. So my finger is on that back slope. If you're left-handed, because it's a button lock, you can open and close a button lock with either hand. Again, my thumb falls on top of there. It's very comfortable. And again, very comfortable. And to show you, it closes as easily. Sorry. Not a great swinging position. And I actually find it less uncomfortable to do with my left hand because I have arthritis, and it manifests itself mostly in my thumbs. So it's actually easier for me to activate a button lock in my left hand I'm just not left-handed. And I tend to keep my knives in the dominant pocket. But like I said, this is so small, you could actually just drop it in your pocket. And I guess if you really wanted to, you could completely remove the clip. I'm not sure if that would affect its tension, because the clip is functioning as a washer between that bolt here, the Chicago bolt that's in here. So that may affect it or not. You may have to throw a small washer in there. I'm not positive, to get the same amount of tension that it's currently on that Chicago bolt, the pivot. But yeah, you could do that, and it would work perfectly fine. The clip does not interfere with the functionality of the button lock, so you could in fact do that and make it even smaller and less obtrusive in your pocket. And because it locks so nicely, that's just not coming out. Now, it is sheet metal, so while it has a nice bit of stability in this direction, I have no motion in that direction. When you go side to side in this direction, yeah, there's a little bit of wiggle in this one, and the other two actually have a bit more than this one does. This is just the best one. This is the one I carried at work to see how I liked it, and it's a utility knife. It works exactly like a utility knife. It works beautifully, and for my personal use, it's tip down. I don't like tip down. I think that all knives should be tip up, including this thing, but that's just me. Everybody's going to have a different perspective on that, but if you think tip down is better, you're just wrong. So yeah, this little Workpro utility knife I think is awesome. I really do. It's so smooth, and it is so small and light that it's going to fit into a lot of folks' EDC. It's going to fit into a lot of folks' daily on-the-job stuff, because you could drop it into your pants pocket or to your tool belt, or some folks wear those little kind of jackets that they're like working in a grocery store or something. So they pull this out, you fold it up, put it back in, and it's going to stick like it's gone. You're never going to notice it. Of course, losing it might be a problem, because it is in fact so small and light. You may not notice it not being in your pocket. But yeah, I'm really happy with this thing. I'm glad I picked them up. I've got two more. I'll probably give those away to somebody, because I'm just going to need one of them, because I still think it's cool, and I'm going to keep it in my collection. I have quite a few utility knives in my collection, just because it's a utility knife. You never know when you're going to need a utility knife, right? All right, but yeah, awesome little knife. I think it's great, and I think you really should check it out if you, in fact, are a fan of utility knives.